Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Penobscot County, Missouri, northwestern Obion County in West Tennessee, northeastern Lake County in West Tennessee, until 8:15 a.m. At 7:28 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Wardle, or near Portage-ville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Building homes will be damaged or destroyed.
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a tornado warning for
Central Alexander County, Illinois, Central Scott County, Missouri, until 7:45 a.m. At 7:29 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Morley,
or near Benton, moving northeast at 65 miles per hour.
Take cover now.
Expected hazards include
Move to a storm
tornado.
shelter or an interior
This is a
room on the lowest
radar-indicated
floor of a
threat.
sturdy building.
The following impacts
Avoid
are
windows.
expected.
flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Or in a vehicle.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur.
Tornado warning has been
Tree
issued
damage
until
is likely.
8:15 a.m. for the following
This
counties:
dangerous storm will be
Obion,
near
Tennessee,
Olive Branch and Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area around 7:35 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm
Include Lambert and Commerce. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 78 and 84. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a
sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7:45 a.m. for the following county: Scott, Missouri, and Alexander, Illinois.
tornado watch number
314 remains.